Hi, this is Clay McKinney, Developer On-Ramp, Introduction to HTML. We're going to talk about the footer tag. And the footer tag is to surround anything that you are going to put at the bottom of every page. And a lot of times there's like a copyright notice or a corporate address or a Twitter button, right? That sort of thing. The stuff that you put at the bottom of every page on your website, you can wrap it in a footer element so that everybody knows what it is. So I'm going to say footer, and I'm going to say copyright, copy 2019, Clay McKinney, and close footer. And that's how you do a footer tag. Let's look at it. I'm going to save it, go over here and refresh. And that's a footer. You know, to set it off, I'm going to stick a horizontal rule there. Now normally what I would do is I would use CSS to style that footer, but we haven't talked about CSS yet. So I'll put a horizontal rule here. Okay. Good. That's what footer does. Thanks.